Hey guys, welcome back to Scrummy Recipes. Today we are making my family favorite sweet, Rava Laddus. They are super easy to make and you only need limited ingredients that you already have at home. Hope you guys like it. For this recipe, heat a frying pan and to this add 4 tablespoons of ghee or clarified butter. Melt the ghee on low flame. Now add 2.5 tablespoons of cashew nuts. Fry the cashew nuts on medium flame until they turn golden brown in color. Alright, so they have turned golden brown in color, so let's scoop out the cashew nuts. To the same frying pan, add 2.5 tablespoons of golden raisins. Fry the raisins on medium flame until they are all puffed up and golden brown in color. Our raisins are also done, so let's take them out. To the remaining ghee, let's add 500 grams of semolina or rava. Let us roast the rava on low heat. I am using pre-roasted rava over here, so I am roasting only for 5 minutes. I want the rava to be well coated in ghee and also it gives out good aroma. Alright, so it has been over 5 minutes, so let's turn off the heat, but do not stop stirring the rava. Let us cool the rava by stirring it so that the rava will not burn. Now take a cooking pot and to this let us add 1 cup of sugar. The sweetness of the ladoo can vary, so if you want the ladoo to be more sweet, you can add extra sugar. And 1.5 cup of water. Mix well and bring the sugar solution to a boil. Alright, so you can see that our sugar solution is boiling, so let's add 1.5 cup of freshly grated coconut. Mix well and bring this mixture to a boil. Alright, so once boiled, let us continue to cook on low-medium heat until the water is reduced and becomes slightly thick in consistency. This would take around, let's say, 6 to 7 minutes. Okay, so it has been over 6 minutes and you can see that the water has reduced And when you stir, you can actually see the bottom of the pan. So that means our mixture is ready. Now let's add half teaspoon of cardamom powder and a pinch of salt. This will help to cut down the sweetness. Give a good mix, and to this let's add our roasted rava, fried cashew nuts and raisins. Mix everything together on low heat until the sugar syrup is well absorbed. If you find that the mixture is a bit too dry and it is difficult for you to roll them into laddus, then you can add a little bit of boiling water. Okay, so our laddu mixture is now ready. So let's turn off the heat and wait for the laddu mixture to slightly cool down. Okay, so our laddu mixture has slightly cooled. So while it is manageably warm, take some laddu mixture in your hand and let's roll them into laddus. Make sure that the laddu mixture is warm enough so that it is easier for you to roll them into laddus. And you can see that it was so easy for me to roll them into laddus. This is a very easy sweet. All you have to do is make sure that the laddu mixture is soft enough. If you find that the mixture is hard, always add extra boiling water. There we go, our easy Rava Laddus. Do try them out guys and share a pic with us. Hope you guys liked our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and also follow us on Instagram. I'll see you guys again with another Scrummy recipe. Until then, bye bye.